Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of editing the story that gets uploaded once you upload a profile picture on TikTok. Let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 2. In your profile, find the profile picture icon and tap on Add. Choose the suitable option for uploading your profile picture and proceed to the next step. Step 3. After selecting your profile picture, you have the option to enable or disable the Post This to Story feature. Make your preference, then tap on the preview option to continue. Step 4. Now comes the fun part. You can edit the story before it gets uploaded. Add effects, stickers, and unleash your creativity to make the story truly unique and engaging. Experiment with different effects and stickers to enhance your story's visual appeal. Don't be afraid to express your style and make it stand out from the crowd. Once you're satisfied with the edits, it's time to finalize and upload your story. Share your updated profile picture and story with your TikTok followers. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to edit the story that gets uploaded once you upload a TikTok profile picture.